Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO video, and today we're going to be building the LEGO City 60282 Fire Command Unit set. So let's get started. So this is a much bigger set than ones that I've built on this channel. Besides, maybe the fire stations that I built, that's pretty much it. Those are probably the only bigger sets that I built, and that's it. There we go. What the? Oh my goodness. Hang on 1 second. Okay, that was my fault. Let me do this a different way. Okay, that's it. Okay, see where is bag 1? 5, 1. I'm gonna stack them up in their order. And this must be the booklets and the sticker sheets. That's probably what it is. Okay. Yep, I was right. It's actually, I think, 2 books, yeah, and the sticker sheet, which I'm gonna keep, because I like to keep the sticker sheets. Okay. To keep them for use elsewhere. Okay. It's a very small one. Let's start with bag 1. Oh no, but that's gotta be bigger. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on, there you go. Oh, not rolling away from me. There we go. So guys, since this set is so big, it's a lot bigger, I'm probably gonna have to split this up into 2 parts. Just so that it's not ridiculously long, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So, let's start off with this. Okay. So first I'm gonna start out with a minifigure. So you're gonna need, shoot, where is it? And push these to the side. So first you're gonna take this pair of leggings, and then you're gonna grab this torso piece, take this, put them together like that, and then I'm gonna take this head piece, so we're gonna have it like that, and then this helmet. There we go. Okay, and then this transparent smoke piece to go on it. I don't know what these things are called. The transparent smoke things that go on top of them. I go right there, but whatever. So there's our minifig. So now we're gonna make the control for this. So we're gonna take a 1x2 plate with a horizontal rod that looks like this in black. And then on it, we're gonna have a 1x1 transparent green stud and a 1x1 red bar thing. I don't know, lever, I guess. So yeah. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. And get it back so that the weight is balanced. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to take a 1x8 Technic brick in red. Now back here, we're going to have a 2x3 plate in light bluish gray. And then we're going to have another 1x8 Technic brick in red. So like that. And then we're going to take two of my one, we're going to take two, or actually four of these Technic pins in light bluish gray. So you're going to stick them there. Not there. There. Flip it over. Here. And there. Just like that. And then on the front, you're going to have a 1x2 by 1x2 bracket plate in white. And then we're going to have a 1x2 transparent blue tile to go on there. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to have a 2x2 plate in cool yellow. Put it right there. And then two 2x2 bricks in red with one side having a Technic pin on it. So you're going to put them right there and there. And then to connect it together, since it's a bit flimsy, a 2x6 plate in cool yellow. Just like that. I think I'm going to have this 2x4 modified plates. It's like half plate, half tile with a couple of Technic pin holes. And this Technic pin hole right there. You're going to have it right here. And then in that, you're going to have a Technic pin in black. Whoa. And then you're going to have a 2x2 plate in cool yellow to lock them together. And then you're going to have two 1x2 plates in red, here and here. Okay, now you're going to have a 2x4 tile in red, going right there. And then two 2x2 red curved slopes. And then you're going to have a 2x4 modified plate with in white with the Technic pin hole instead down here. So you're going to connect them together like that. And then, so it looks like that. And then you're going to have this 2x4 curved slope piece in red. And it's going to go... Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oops. Hold on. The tile is actually supposed to be back here. That was my fault. You're going to put this right there. Okay. So now we're going to grab one of these 4x4 modified plates with 45-degree slopes on either side. And then you're going to take this 2x6 modified brick and dark bluish gray and light bluish gray, because it has light bluish gray on the top and dark bluish gray at the bottom. And it looks like this. It's like it has a button where you push it. So you're going to place it right there. And then you grab a 2x4 version of that right there. And then you're going to take two 1x1 curved slope bricks. I'm going to take four of them, put one there, so on either corners. In this space, you're going to take the 1x4 curved slopes in white. So it all looks like that. And then you're going to take two 1x6 tiles in white to smooth it off. So it looks like that. And then you're going to attach it to this, just like that. You see it goes up and down like that. And then you can give it the wheels, so you can take these tires and these black rims, and you're going to make 4 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with the rest of these. Okay, so now we're gonna do it like that and that. So yeah. And then you can have the little water thing go inside and it goes. Wow, that was loud. Let's do that again. Let's do it. Wow, that is powerful. Alrighty. Well, that's good. Let's go ahead and clean these extra pieces up, and we'll move on to bag number 2 and book number 2, which is the big book. Okay, we got these fire pieces left over for, well, I know what it's for. Okay. Okay. Bag 2. Let's do this. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Hold on a second. Are we good? Okay, good. Okay. Let's move it to the side. Okay, so let's start out with our minifigs. Let me get out all the parts for them. Oh my gosh, they're rolling away. The heads are rolling away. Okay, so for the second firefighter, we're gonna take the same leg piece and the same torso piece as the last firefighter. But instead, we're gonna take this headpiece. I don't know if you can see it. For focus. No. Okay, let me see. I can see it better. There. Okay. Attach it like that. And then the same helmet and the same of face coverage, I guess. So yeah, face protector. And then for the lady who is here, we're gonna have this leg piece in light bluish gray. I'm gonna have this torso piece. Looks like this. And then this headpiece. And then you're gonna take this, oh my goodness, this brown hair piece with a ponytail. Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna take the 6x8 plates in light bluish gray, and on either end we are going to put 2 of my 2 bricks in white with a Technic pin on one end, like so. I'm gonna put them on the two back corners, and then I'm gonna take 2 of these 1x1 transparent red round bricks, like that. And then we're going to take 2 2x3 bricks in white, one there and there. And then you take 2 2x4 bricks in black, here and here, and then 1x4 brick in white, there. So it looks like that. And then we're gonna take 2 2x4 tiles in black, put them over you're gonna put them over here in these corners to lock them together. And then you take these 2 2x2 45-degree slopes and slope bricks in white, which have these prints on them that look pretty cool. You're gonna have them like this and this. And then you take 2 more 1x1 transparent red round bricks, there and there, like that. And then I'm gonna take a 2x4 tile in red, and I'm gonna put it on a 2x4 plate, modified plate with this with 2 Technic pinholes on the bottom. And then to connect them, I'm gonna have 2 1x2 white bricks with the Technic pin on them. I'm gonna set it right here, so it's like that. And take 2 of my 4 plates in light bluish gray. And then you're gonna take 1x2 grill piece in light bluish gray. Put it there. I'm gonna take a 4x4 round plate in white. And then I'm gonna take a transparent clear 2x2 round brick and a transparent green round brick. And then you're gonna have 2 of these 2x4 it's 2x4x5 transparent light blue, I don't know what you call these, bricks something, I don't know, but you're gonna take 2 of them and you're gonna put them like that, like so. And then you're gonna set it on there. There we go. Alright, so then you can just do like that. And then you take 2 of these 2x2x8 tower pieces in yellow. and set them like that, and then you're gonna connect them with a 2x8 plate in white, and then you're gonna take a 4x4 round plate in white here. Oh yeah, this meant to be yellow. That's what I meant to say if I said white. I think I did. And then you're gonna take this 8x8 round plate in black. So you're gonna put it right there, and then on top a 2x2 round tile in light bluish gray. So that you can do that. I don't know why they did that, but it's okay. Okay. Now we're gonna work on the let's say the front cab. Yeah, the front cab of this truck. So first I'm gonna take this modified 2x4 plate with these Technic axle holes. I'm gonna take one, and I'm gonna take a 1x16 Technic brick, put it right there. Take two of them, like that. I'm gonna flip it over and take a 2x2 plate in white, and another 2x4 modified plate with the axle hole. So you can see it actually lines up with the Technic holes, so it can go all the way through. If you want it to. Of course it doesn't have to. Now, for this part, you're going to take two of these 1x2 by 2x2 downward bracket plates in white.